Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find gold inside of Subnautica. So gold is very similar to lithium. It's found in the heat zone to the east-southeast, out sort of past where you can find salt and sulfur, and you need to have the heat adaptation before you can actually go into this area. So if you haven't unlocked the heat adaptation, I will link that video in the video description below and also at the end of this video, so you can go get that. Allows you to go into this volcanic area here and explore without instantly dying. So down in here, you're going to find some funny little, almost artistic looking domes, like a sculptor made them, of like big old hunks of gold. And you're going to need your Sonic blaster in order to harvest them. So if you just go down in here where everything turns red, you'll see them. They're pretty obvious once you encounter them. They're just a giant little dome of gold that would make any gold miner green with envy. All right, here you go. Here's what they look like. Like I said, they look like somebody sculpted a little mesh dome out of gold. And once you locate one, you can pop out with your Sonic blaster and give it a blast. It'll pop into your inventory, and you can go off looking for more. That's it. They're literally all over these big heat ducts on these like mountains. There's even little smaller ones that you can get that are easier to pick up by hand. You just gotta look for literally tiny little heat domes, medium-sized little golden domes, and big ones that require the Sonic blaster to get. So I hope that was helpful, and until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've been your host Larry, and I'll catch you next time. Bye everybody, and have a good one.